Now, where was I? Oh, yeah. Taking a puppy class with a dog who doesn't listen in a language I'm not good at. But don't worry, it was fine. Totally fine.
Katie.
Yo, Katie.
Huh?
Hey, you cool beans?
My pronunciation's really bad.
You sound all right to me.
I meant my Maori pronunciation.
Oh.
Okay, Akoranga Tuatoru, lesson 3.
This isn't lesson 1?
Oh, don't worry, you'll catch up. Now, today's tono, or commands, are Taihoa, wait or stay, and haramai, come here. Now remember, we're using kao for no, and kapai for good job.
These are a lot of new words, Rascal.
Kōrero mai, class. Taihoa, haere mai. Now it's your turn. Taihoa, haere mai. Kapai. Now, let's try it with the real-life Kurī.
Kurī means dog.
Kapai mātua mak.
Nailed it.
Now, which Kurī is keen to give it a go? Okay, Zara, you want to show him how it's done? Okay, haere mai. Nō reira, Taihoa, then 3 steps back, then haere mai, kapai, and a treat. Me pēnei, like this. Get your Kurī's attention. Zara. Taihoa, toru, rua, tahi, haere mai. Ah, kapai. Boom, see? Easy as. Good girl, Zara. Remember, you guys, you do the puppy mai, you get the puppy treats. Now, what about a human volunteer?
Oh, no.
Hands down, Jeff, I'll choose. Katie.
No.
Hey, maybe I could do all the talking.
Really? Thanks, Uncle Mark.
No worries, niece Katie. Yeah. Kia ora, whai kas. Oh, my third best friend JJ has a flat tire emergency. I gotta go.
No.
Sorry, Katie. Cool if I leave her here with you, whai, okay?
Yeah, kapai.
Sure.
No.
Hey, you got this, kid.
No.
Okay, you ready, Katie?
Ooh.
Rascal, what are you doing?
Ooh, that's going to be tricky to get out of.
I might need a minute, Firecaz.
Yeah, sorry I missed your message. I was just with my niece. It's the one I keep talking about. What are you...
Taihoa, toru, rua. No, not yet.
Don't worry. In your own time.
Please, Taihoa. Hey, wait. Rascal, no, get back here. What are you doing? Hey, no. Rascal. Rascal. Haere mai. Rascal.
Katie, are you all good?
Yeah, room for improvement.
Paiana, eko. We'll circle back in a week or 2.
I'm already 2 lessons behind, and Rascal wouldn't stay or come, and my pronunciation stinks.
Don't they teach you heaps of Māori stuff at school these days?
We've always travelled for Mum's work. Most of my schools were overseas. Hola. Mi nombre es Katie. Konnichiwa, watashi no name wa Katie desu. Salut, je m'appelle Katie. I ended up at English-speaking schools. Languages aren't my thing. This is my first year at a proper New Zealand school, and everyone is way ahead of me with their te reo Māori.
Yeah, your mum and I didn't learn a whole lot back in the olden days. Hey, does someone need a family 5? Hit it.
No thanks, I'm good.
Oh, it's cool. Cool. Yeah, it's no big deal.
Uncle Mark, I'm no good at puppy class. May I please quit?
But don't you want Rascal to learn to not be so rascally?
I do, but I can watch YouTube or TikTok or a kids show that teaches dog commands. Please, Uncle Mark.
Fine. But you have to tell Fire Cares in person.
Oh.
I'll see you kids. Catch you later.
Oh. Excuse me.
Oh, Katie. Haere mai.
Hi. I'd like to,
Kia tere. I'm due to ref underwater hockey at the community pool in 10 minutes.
I'd like to quit puppy class.
Hey? Kia kaha reo? A little louder?
I said I'd like to quit puppy class.
Yeah, cool. Whatevs.
Wait, really?
Yeah, it's fun. Your uncle already paid for all the lessons, and Fire Kaz doesn't do refunds. Too much paperwork.
Okay. Let's go, Rascal. Rascal? Now you choose to stay?
Wow, look at that. I think your Kurī likes it here. Nobody's reo was perfect to begin with.
I'm so bad. It's embarrassing.
You know what, Katie? I think it's embarrassing if you don't try. Engari, if you try, no matter how bad you are, it shows you care. And your Kurī will love you for it.
Really? She will?
Oh, why? Now, can you say you'll stay? Because this is killing my knees.
Fine. We'll stay.
Oh, ka pai. Now, Katie, what's today's tono again?
Taihoa.
Kōrero mai anō. Taihoa.
Taihoa.
Ka pai. Oh, Rascal's supposed to wait till you say haere mai.
I said it in my head.
Said it in your head. Crack up.
So my first puppy lesson was kind of tricky. Luckily, the next one was way easier and nothing embarrassing happened at all.